So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm so excited to do this video. I have been thinking of doing something like that for a while. So today we're going to be making a glam wreath using the rest of the brooches that I have from Totally Dazzled, you know, like this one. And I have a couple more that I haven't used. This one here and a whole bunch of them. They're really gorgeous. You guys know already, so I'll be using these brooches. I'm also going to be using this fabric, faux fur fabric. I got this from, this is an old scarf that I had for maybe like 6 years now, 6 or 7 years, from Restoration Hardware, and it got a stain on it, and I cut the piece out, and I never really used it. It's just really pretty. It's really thick too, so I'm going to be using that. You can, if you're trying this DIY, you can use the boar from the Dollar Tree, so, or you can use any color of faux fur. I have this Wreath wire. That's what I think that is. And I have a piece of cardboard that I cut just like so and measured around. It was so hard to cut the middle of it. I was trying to cut the middle with the scissors, and I'm like, oh shoot, I have a box cutter. But yeah, so this is what I'll be using. Of course, you guys know I have my silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And let's just get started with the video. If this is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to leave me a comment, say hey, and also click the like button if you like this video, and go ahead and check out my other videos. I'm sure you'll really like it. You're interested in all the glitz and all the glam and all the, you know, stuff like that. So let's just get started with the video, you guys. Also, I wanted to say, I'm sorry, I'm talking, rambling. I don't mean to ramble, but yeah. I wanted to say that the winner of the giveaway, I will post somewhere throughout the video or at the end of the video. This is going to be the giveaway for, for this gorgeous rose gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. So let's get with the DIY. Okay guys, so here you go. This is how it is. It's all completed, all done. I really like it. A lot of people will probably add some color to this, but I love it just the way it is because I am planning on doing a white Christmas theme for my bedroom. So I really love it. I love the way it came out. All the brooches look so beautiful. And look at that bling wrap bow. It's really pretty. I love it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, everything that I use will be down in the description box below. And the giveaway winner of this gorgeous bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.